Today's buildings are more connected than ever, but in a world that demands efficiency, upgrading your building management system shouldn't take days or even hours. Meet the SpaceLogic Twisted Pair Adapter, one future-ready device that enables instant IP control. Simply connect IP field controllers and automation servers using the wiring already in place and enable immediate Ethernet communication. No complexity. It just works. Regardless of how your building was originally wired, the SpaceLogic Twisted Pair Adapter is compatible with all free topology wiring. Featuring an ultra-slim design to fit into tight spaces, no rewiring, no downtime. So you can install with no interruption to your building's operations. And because existing cabling stays where it is, installation isn't affected by hidden cable runs or missing legacy documentation. You can upgrade with confidence, even when the original infrastructure is unknown. Upgrade your network sustainably by saving up to 100 meters of new wiring per room. Gain access to an engineering tool that monitors network health, helping you quickly identify and resolve connection issues. Connect yesterday's systems for tomorrow's needs with the scalable, plug-and-play SpaceLogic Twisted Pair Adapter.